All right, guys. So let's retake where we were. So I was just saying, a lot of efforts and energy at the Fivers goes into that. Goes into offering much more than just the funded accounts. And once we think on a program on what we want to offer, we really think on how can we make more and more traders to actually pass these programs. We really need those, you guys traders to complete, to show us, to have the opportunity to show us that that you can manage the money responsibly and consistently, and we'll be more than happy to give you larger and larger accounts. So that's why we create all this environment, all this supportive environment for the retail traders. And you have no idea how much effort goes every day into developing those resources, okay? And that's why we will never, okay? This is kind of a promise. We'll never, push you in time to make a certain amount of profit or give you, ridiculous and unrealistic targets to accomplish. I think it's not in our agenda, and that's not what our beliefs, and those are not our values. So we're not going that pathway. I think the industry of prop firm has made, and as I told you, has made the trading business even harder for retail traders. Like if trader is already is hard, all these programs are making it even harder. But I know, that flashlight and those advertising of hundreds and thousands of dollars in 1 month are very flashy, are very sexy, are very attractive, but those are unrealistic and isolated and inconsistent. Okay, we have thousands of traders and data that backs what I'm saying. So we really want to be one with the trader, with you guys. So that's why we keep innovating. We've been in the industry since 2016, and we always think, how can we make the industry better? We do believe in the industry. We do believe it's a positive industry where we can, together with serious companies, provide traders with opportunity of getting with capital they wouldn't get on their own. Compounding an account and living off is very hard. Very few people can make that, and we try to make that even a little easier for you guys. So we keep innovating. That's one of our values, is innovation, and we created a completely new program. Some of you might be familiar already with that. It's the Freestyle program, where we have rid of all the parameters known in the industry. I know it has been very disruptive. It has made a little bit of confusion even in a lot of guys, because there's nothing to compare the program to. So the Freestyle program, it requires traders to trade 100 positions, and after the 100 positions to show two things. One, at least 30 of those positions need to be profitable, and two, to make more than the risk you take to achieve that profit. Okay, so if you make a drawdown of 2%, make at the end of the 100 trades, make 4%. Okay, that's it. That you can make more in the long run than the amount of risk you take in order to achieve that. Now there's factors involved, and there's a lot of videos and tutorials we've done to explain those. So I will not go into detail on that, but I wanna explain you about the improvements we've done till now, because we have our own insights and our own thoughts. We have great response from traders, great response, and we're very happy for that. We have a lot of success, a lot of tradings happen, passing the evaluation account, which is fantastic. That's what we want, but we also hearing you guys, and we know there's some homework we have to do on our side to explain more about the program and make it clearer, and we're working on that, and we'll continue doing that. And we also hear your feedback. Okay, so based on those feedbacks, we have made three big changes and improvements and updates, and I want to discuss those, and then we'll open for a little bit of Q&As, and I'll show you a little examples of dashboards from people who have already passed and completed the program, and we'll do a little short Q&A questions, and okay. So the first update is a refund. Okay, there was a request to get some money back, okay, or something. Once you complete the 100 trades, I think it's fair, so we implemented a refund. So once you complete the 100 trades, the 100 positions, and you are funded, you get to the funded account, you will get your payment as a refund, and you will be able to withdraw it immediately. Okay, so you don't have to. You're kind of risk-free, completely risk-free. You will get your money back, and you will be, able to trade the funded account. So that's number one. That's the refund. I believe you know it from the industry, so it will be very easy to understand. The second one is the first time on your first account, the first account you sign up for, you have a free reset. Okay. Now there's a thought behind it, because we know that a lot of traders, they do not see themselves within the factors we're requesting. Okay, so many traders don't understand the dashboard or the trade or the factors, and they don't know if their strategy would pass the account. So the reset on your first account will be anytime, whenever you want it. Even if you're in drawdown, you can get the reset. Okay, we don't want you to not sign up because you don't understand. So come. And if you're in drawdown and you're not understanding, reset your account. Even if you're in drawdown, the first time you sign up for the account, you will have a free reset, okay, for the account. It's very important to get to know the factors, and we understand you don't want to commit a large amount of money just to try the program. So you will have that free reset. Once it was only if you were positive. Now if you're negative. So if you're negative and you're in drawdown and that's your first Freestyle account, you can take that reset on your account, so you get to know the factors, and then you can move on into your normal trading. So that's update number 2. And update number 3, it's a lower entry cost. Okay, you understand the initial cost. I think for trying something new, it might be a little high for some of you guys. So we have a lower, a cheaper account, a 25k account. So that would be more affordable for you guys to come and try it out. You will have the free reset as well, and of course once you pass, you will have the refund of your money. Okay, we keep thinking and we keep working on improvements and updates, but we really wanted to take these ones out and give the opportunity for you guys to join this, because I will jump and then I'll come back and read the questions. I'll tackle those. We have had a great response, and traders are just passing every day, passing these accounts, and we're very happy. And I'll just go ahead and show you a few examples. Okay, let me see. Just confirm. You should be able to see me. Okay, you can still see. So you can see here. Okay, so you can see here, guys, traders who made 10% in drawdown. Okay, this trader was funded just I can't recall if it was yesterday or today. No, not long ago. But 10% in drawdown, and he made it to the target. Okay, to the performance factor of above 2, and he's now funded. Okay, in other programs where you have daily losses or those kind of things, with that kind of drawdown, you cannot make it to funding. Okay, so we want to get rid of all of that and give the opportunity to traders to get funded. Okay, look at this trader. He got funded with only 1.37% in profit. Okay, so little drawdown, keep your drawdown small, and no matter, we don't care about the amount of money you make, as long as you keep consistent, funded. Okay, more examples. 5% in profit. Where in the industry you get funded with just 5% in profit? Okay, so you get that. 7% in profit, passing. 8% profit, of course, passing. So there's more and more and more examples. So guys, really every day there's traders completing the program, and we're very, very happy with the results and the progress and the feedback we're getting from the traders. So with that being said, and with that little introduction now, guys, let's go into the comments, and let's attend a little bit. Brandon, I love the ideas coming out. The 5 more interesting than other top prop firms. Thank you, Brandon. I appreciate that. We really work hard to make that possible, to achieve that. Freestyle program is the best model out there. Thank you. Indices, we're on the way. We're working on it. We know there's a request. Soon, we already request from our LPs to send us data, so we can allow that. Please be patient with that. We'll get there. Great to hear about the free reset. Yeah, I think it's fair. I wouldn't expect someone to. I wouldn't expect someone to to really come and try something completely new. There's nothing to compare to, and just to. I think it's the right thing to do. 5ers Discord, something similar to keep in more contact with you guys. Yes, Brandon, if you have an account with us already, through your dashboard, you have the icon, the Discord icon. Go there and join the Discord. And if not, just send a ticket or connect with us. We'll send you the link to the Discord. Thank you guys. Can I convert my bootcamp account to this Freestyle account and pay the difference? Moses, please send a ticket. I'm not certain about the answer of that. The support guys will help you. How many accounts can I have in general using one strategy? So, Aprila, we have 3 models of funding. We have the instant funding, we have the bootcamp program, and we have the freestyle program. So you can have 1 freestyle, up to 3 bootcamp, and up to 3 instant funding. So you could have potentially 7 accounts together with us. Okay. Randy, appreciate last video you guys mentioned in indices. Any of them? Yeah, we're getting closer to that. Okay. Anna, hey, glad to have you. I didn't say which one was your dashboard, so that's on you. Yeah, congrats Anna. Amazing performance. We're happy about you. It's absolutely. So it's not for swing traders. Please make one for swing. Yeah, we have that feedback for swing traders, and we are working on a solution for that. It will take a little bit of time, guys. It's more, on our side, it's more complicated than you think, but we will have a solution for that. But in the other hand, it's good to have the opportunity, even if it takes a few months, guys. It doesn't have to happen immediately in 1 month. You can have you take your time. Okay, it might take a little bit more, but there's the option. Do you have to use a stop loss? No, you don't. You can trade without stop losses. What about stocks? Stocks, you will hear. We have some work going on there about stocks. It will take a few months, but just keep tuned. After you get founded, does the live account have daily maximum drawdown? No, the live account, the funded account, has a maximum drawdown, but no daily drawdown or something. Okay. The free reset at any time at the refund is off. Yeah, thank you, Michael. Yeah, it's a lot of these updates, improvements come from you guys, from your feedback. So we listen. Okay. If I trade small lot size, but I have a win rate, but my percentage is low, will I end up with a tiny trading limit from the risk desk based on my evaluation? Paul, I'm not sure I understand your question. How much is the cheaper model? Thanks. So the 25K, I believe is the 285 euros, and of course you might know already an affiliate or something. You can have maybe a 10% discount on that. Please add bonds. Yeah, bonds. Maximilian, our next step is indexes. Bonds might take longer. How keep 100 performing when we are trading on demo? Yeah, all yours. Yeah, the 100 profits is once you're funding. Once you're funded, you will get all the profit for you. How about maybe a 10 trade demo just to try the netting? Scruffy, that's a good idea. We evaluate that. It wasn't as easy as we thought. We're thinking on that. In the meantime, the solution is the free reset, even if you're in negative. So you can really, try the performance and try the netting and try everything, and then do the reset. Clone accounts so profits are safe. Is trade copier allowed? Yeah, you can use trade copier. Just make sure. Just remember this is a netting account, and other programs of ours they are hedging account. So just take that into account. But you are allowed to use EAs and copiers and everything. Fan of your channel, thank you, Andy. We invest a lot in content. It's very important for us. You mean your example was? Yeah, all the dashboards I show you, they completed 100 trades. You know, we launched the program less 1 month ago. At the first week, there was already traders passing the program. 2 weeks later, there were more. 3 weeks, you know, right now 3 weeks from launch day, there are you know many traders who have completed the 100 trade. Maximum drawdown. So as explained, there's no maximum drawdown, not on our side. We just we want you to make more than your risk. Okay. Trade copier allower, yes it is. As a business, I'm still bad as you stay long in business if you allow traders to keep 100. Do you have expenses? Yeah, actually, that's a great question, but it's not really that difficult. So once you're funded, we copy your trade. So your trade goes to the market and goes to our account. So when you win, we also win. It's that simple. It's not that. What's the price? Is there a maximum drawdown? You need to increase the account. There's another video, guys, explaining only the drawdown, how we measure the drawdown. So I advise you to go and watch that video. You will find it here in the YouTube channel. It's specific for the drawdown and how that impacts your performance factor. So please go and watch that. It doesn't matter how much profit I make as long as I have 30 winning trades out of 100, and my profit to loss ratio is at least 2 to 1. Am I correct? Yeah, kind of, Paul. But yeah, like at the end of the 100 trades, if you made twice the risk you took, your maximum drawdown, that's it. Okay, it's very important, and I connect that to a very common question, which is, do I need a 2 to 1 risk reward ratio in my trading strategy? And the answer for that is no. It's not, because scalpers they use a negative risk reward, but we don't care about the specific trade. We only care what was the overall drawdown, and then how much you did by the end of the 100 trades. Okay, but so you can work with a scalping strategy with a negative risk reward ratio and still get funded. Okay, many of the traders who have accomplished, they have those statistics. Okay, so that's important to address. Yeah, Vincent, if you have already started the evaluation, you can use you will get the refund once you get funded. Okay, we will grant that for everyone. How to grow the account? Do we need to make a certain percentage? So for growth, once you're funded, again, after 100 trades, if your performance factor is above 2, you will get growth. Okay, we don't care about the balance, just performance factor. And again, 100 trades, performance factor of 2, you will keep growing the account. Nahmul, how we make money? I just explained. We copy your trades. Okay. How the drawdown is calculated? It's calculated by the floating drawdown in your account. Again, there's a specific video on the YouTube channel. Please watch that. It's a short video, and you will get the detailed response of answer for that. If you recover a trade that was down, can you drawdown get adjust lower, or it stays? Not sure. No, I didn't understand the question. I'm sorry about that. During the freestyle evaluation, there's no maximum drawdown. Once funded, the maximum drawdown is 10%. Yeah, in the funded account, the maximum drawdown is 10%. Okay, fixed. It's that stop out level. Trade copy allower, yes. EAs. Whoa. Why not make all programs and profit split then? Eventually we will. It's just a different technology, and we will have to move all the other accounts into that technology and into those settings. So we haven't done that. I believe with time, all of them will eventually go 100% profit split. It's just a different management. Instead of just taking your trades out to the market and then split the profits, so we take your trade out to the market, to our ELPs, and we also copy their trade. So it's a different technology and different setup. We might do that in the future. Any 5ers merchandise, hats, hoodies. So we have we need to invest in that a little bit. We have the stickers we send out. We have the trading plan, but we need to work on that. That's a good leverage 1 to 30. Okay, I believe more than enough. I haven't seen, I don't believe anyone needs more than that. Game changer, yeah, we really believe, and we think we really need to make all those programs that are intended for you to fail to disappear. It simply doesn't make sense. I don't know. How about having a program for swing traders? Will you be held to the same criteria when you get funded? So getting funded, again, you have a 10% absolute drawdown, a stop out level, and every 100 trades you will get increased in your account size, and of course you will get to keep all your profits. Well, there's a lot of questions, guys. Nick for Forex Trader, if you think there's a bug in your dashboard, please send a ticket. We'll address that. Show the Discord drawdown shows you maximum dashboard. I see floating drawdown. Do I need to make 30 profitable trades out of the 100? Yes. On the first account, I mean before being funded. Floating drawdown doesn't work in dashboard. We can try anyone. I couldn't understand it. Sorry. So the floating drawdown, it relates to your equity drawdown. So if you have a trade that you let it go against you without closing it, against you 10%, and then goes back to break even, that 10% floating, that's a floating drawdown. Drawdown video shows how to. If anyone open a trade and immediately close it for loss, his risk to reward will increase much. I'm not sure. With the profits, when the target performance factor larger than 2 was not reached and the account is reset. What happened with the profits when the target? So on the evaluation stage, there are no profits. That starts once you're funded. So if you get to the 100 trades and you haven't reached the 2 performance factor, you just keep trading. Okay, you keep trading the same account until you reach the performance factor to 2, and in that moment you increase. Okay, you pass to a larger account. Nick for Trader, please send a ticket. We'll check the dashboard for you. Thank you. If drawdown is 5%, you need to net profit. If you recover a trade, does the 5% get adjusted to 4%, for example? It's part of recovering the trade. Yeah. So the maximum equity drawdown you had, that will be your drawdown, and then you need to make twice that. Okay, that's the idea. Gav, after completing the evaluation, we do not pay profits. We give you a refund. Okay, whatever you paid, we will refund you that. All the best to both of us, Andy. Okay, if I reach the performance tag after 100, will a stage continue until I do, for example? Yeah, Patrick, so after 100 trades, once you're funded, after 100 trades, you just continue trading until you reach the performance factor of 2. You don't need to wait an extra 100 trades. You just keep trading. Once you reach the performance factor of 2, you get increased. Denise, will this meeting be recorded? Yeah, and I'm probably uploaded to YouTube, so you might be able to watch it later there. Once you have funded account, when will you be able to withdraw profits on the account after 100 are taken? No, so the first withdrawal you can make is after 50 trades. Okay, we want you to grow that account enough, because we also have a minimum amount that you can request, and then you can start withdrawing whenever you want, and that's only for the first account. Okay, for the first funded account. Okay, guys, I think we've covered most of the questions. We'll wrap up here, I believe. Can you please repeat what you said? We get refunded for Jennifer. Once you get funded, you will get a refund of your payment. Okay, your payment will be reimbursed to you. More than one account, can we copy? Yes, you can copy. So just to wrap up, guys, okay, just to wrap up, guys, and thanks everyone for coming and for staying. The 3 improvements so far are we have implemented and we've launched a more achievable account. Okay, a 25K account. That's a cheaper account. Okay, that's more affordable option for you to try the program. You can have your first reset on your first account. Your first reset, you can apply it, you can use it even if you're in drawdown. Okay, it's important because at first you might want to get used to the to the factors and to the dashboard and to the account, so you have that opportunity. You can reset whenever you want. And 3, you will get refunded once you complete the evaluations. Whatever you paid for signing up, you will get it back to you. Okay, so you're completely risk-free. You see something on your side. Guys, I think that's it. We'll wrap up here. If you have any further questions, please just don't hesitate on sending tickets, whatever you need. We're here to help you. Send an email to help@the5ers.com, and we'll try to help you out as always, guys. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for staying, and congrats to all of you who have already passed. And see you at the freestyle, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.